This is what you see when you click on the Edit Design button. This design screen consists of a number of areas. The first one is Design Template. This is where you'll find example templates with background pictures, colors, and formats that you can simply select for your own survey or quiz. If you want, or if you prefer, to use your own branding elements, then at that moment you should scroll down and go to the Appearance section. This is where you can upload your logo, upload your own background picture, adapt the font and the font size. That's also where you're going to be able to upload or to change colors, and where you're going to adapt the layout and use some specific options. Now, if you look at the typical standard format that we propose with Survey Anyplace, then you obtain this. This is the purple color with the white logo and the white text and red button. This is standard. You can adapt all of these in a very simple way. Because the example here, I may change this to this. In fact, it's the same text, but this case with a blue color, a different logo, different button, and a different background picture. So how do I change these things? Well, it's very easy. If I'm going to the Appearance section again, I'm going to upload my logo. I can apply a number of colors automatically. In fact, my software will have detected these colors automatically, and I can apply these. By the way, by applying these, I can still make some changes afterwards in a manual way. I'm going to upload a background picture. Like this. I can change the fonts, and I can adapt the font size, but I'm going to keep it to the small size for now. Now I can go to the color section, and I can look at all these different colors. Now I'm going to change the text color. You remember that I was going to do this in blue, but I can also change this if I know exactly which format to use. And this is the specific blue color I was looking for. I can go for more colors. For example, the background color. Now, the background color is the only one color in this case that is not going to be applied. Why is this? Because I've chosen a background picture. If I wouldn't have selected or uploaded a picture, this would have been the color that I would have shown automatically as a unified color in my background screen. Now, the content box is presented in white here. Now, what is a content box? A content box is this area here. That's the area in which you find all the text and media files or logos. So I can adapt the color of this box, but I can also define the transparency degree of this box by moving up or down the slide on this bar. I can adapt the link color. A link is a URL link that I'm going to introduce in text. Question text, final text, intro text. I can change the color of the buttons, and I'm going to make these red, and I'm going to keep the text color of my buttons in white. Then when you look at this, my text was in the middle, so I'm going to adapt the screen layout. So instead of having this on the left hand side, I'm going to have it in the middle. I'm going to keep the transparency degree here. I can work with the icon. The icon is the one you see here at the top of my screen, but that's also what you will see on your home screen when you decide to have your URL downloaded on your home screen of your tablet or smartphone, for example. Now, I can also work with rounded corners. I can show page numbers or hide page numbers. If you are going to do this, then you will see this number here, 1 out of 9. That's my page number. I can hide that by just clicking this off. And I can show or hide a previous button, which means if I hide it, then at that moment I will only be able to move forward and never go backwards, going backwards in the screen. So I can make some changes now, or save changes now, and do a preview of what I just created. And here we go. So that's the quiz or survey that I just obtained with this new design. So this is it for now. I suggest you play with the different colors, fonts, and other design features and see how these will give the right and appealing look to your surveys or quizzes. So have fun.